girl ever push her hood down in her, you hold her tonsil and lock her tonsil with it? Yeah? Roger more quit my throat for your blood clot. Oh, Jesus Christ. Me will be the first girl for quint her mouth by your fucking hood. And that me I talk about. Tell me if me are the first girl for
alright,
quint her chow by your fucking hood.
You play the match with me. You're losing now.
Me I go fuck you, Roger. Roger, you can't stop me from come skin out my hole and give it to you. Yeah, I feels like that. You understand me? Why you suck off my nipple them for me and deal with my real fucking bad. What I said. And make sure you talk to me like the slut when me be. You hear me? Well, tell me how slut and whoring me be when you dig my blood clot out. Me love it rough, me love it in a contention, me love it in a quarrel. And that me like, yeah, rasp me up in a wall and dig me out. Right, it's yours. I want to, Roger, I want to be some more rough here. Yeah, more rough here. More rough here, Roger. Roger, more rough here. Mr. Roger, I'm just want to strip naked and just jump on you. Thank you guys to all of the gift them of me. There's some artifacts, Roger. Roger, listen to me. We make a lovely match. My wife now begs if me queen by you. Me tell her from long time so me want queen
why you dip on Pretty Dan page?
What?
Why you dip on Pretty Dan page?
I don't know because it's my brother Page and he drunk her out and dead. So I'm out here. My pies are that blood clot and the out here. Right, you never think I me and today alone my out here you see me right sure. Right. Oh God. As you see my breast them brown, I love your dark skin. Your dark skin for my brown breast look good. Yeah. I know you want to put them out upon them big booby, yeah? Right?
My side.
Right, so come crab me, just crab up my body.